is Calvin Mackey, and welcome to STEM Saturday, the power of chemistry, exposing them to the possibilities of the 21st century.
STEM NOLA's Chemistry Day, which is sponsored by Chevron. So today, students are going to create different things that calls for chemistry. They're going to walk away with the big bill, which is the chemical clock. They're going to walk away knowing how to make nylon and elephant toothpaste. These things are essential for children to understand that things such as molecules, particles, and other scientific materials come together to create what's called chemistry.
I'm glad I got in this class. Glad, so glad. Wait, we can play with this?
I think we have at least 150 kids out today learning about chemistry. Also, we have professional volunteers here. We have interns from different universities here and other people here to volunteer just to make sure our children are in a great learning environment.
Chevron is proud to once again support STEM NOLA's Chemistry Day. This is important for Chevron, but as well as for our community. We're happy to work with STEM NOLA as they are continuing to create the next generation of scientists and engineers. I wish that I could get everyone in the community to come out and to see the enthusiasm, the energy, the excitement that the kids have here doing chemistry experiments bright and early on a Saturday morning. STEM NOLA is doing today and every day to help ensure that we are training the next generation of scientists and engineers. It's super important for that STEM pipeline. We can't wait until students are entering college or high school in order to begin to interest and engage them in these types of careers. This work has to start early, and students have to have many touch points with these topics. So it can't be something where it's just a one type of event. And that's what you see here with STEM NOLA. You see students where it's their first time, but more often than not, you see students and it's their 10th time. And so that's what we want to do. We want to ignite the passion for STEM and for learning, you know, at that 4-year-old, 5-year-old, 6-year-old level. And we want those students to take that with them into middle school, through high school, and then hopefully into college.
Endothermic reaction. Can we say endothermic reaction?
Endothermic. We're seeing if it's basic or acidic. Powered by salt water.
When I see a kid complete a project and their eyes open up, when you see that spark come on, I mean, that's what we're looking for. That is the satisfaction, right? That's when we know we're doing something amazing, when you see their eyes light up and they say, look what I did.
You get to make all these things, a clock, anything you dream of. If you dream of this, you're going to have a good time here. Thank you. Thank you, STEM NOLA.